Hello, everyone. For this tapping session, I'd like you to think about something that is making you worry. It can be anything in the last day, in the last week, in the last month. It could be something that's going on today that's just making you feel worried. If you could give that number or give that feeling a number, 0 out of 10, 10 would be the biggest amount possible, and 0 would be non-existent. Think about that concern that you're having and rate that worry. And just put a number on it, because as we do the tapping, we're going to revisit that number and watch that number come down. Okay, so we are going to go through the points real quick. There's the side of the hand that we start with. Then we tap. You can use 2 fingers or 3, whatever you want. But 2 fingers on right where the eyebrow meets the nose, the outside of the eye, on the cheek, under the nose, on the chin, on the collarbone, which the collarbone is right here. You can feel those little nodules right there, right underneath where it's soft. That's where you want to be tapping. And then about a hand width down from your armpit on your ribs. And you can do both sides, one side, it doesn't matter. You can give yourself a hug and do it. And then we do the top of the head. So on all of those points, you can use both hands or just one hand. I'm going to use one hand, so I'll do it that way. We're going to start with tapping on the side of your hand, and just repeat after me, okay? Even though I feel very worried at the moment, I accept that I feel this way. Even though I feel really, really worried, I accept that I have these feelings. Even though I feel really worried about what's happening, I accept that I feel this way. So take your 2 fingers, either side or both, and start on the eyebrow. And say, I feel worried. Side of the eye, this worry. Under the eye, I feel really worried. Under the nose, my worry. The chin, this worry. Collarbone, really worried. On the side, really worried. Top of the head, this worry. Okay, take a deep breath. Let it go and see how you feel now. Did the number come down at all? Maybe a number just popped into your mind. Let's keep tapping. We're going to start on the eyebrow point, and we'll say, this worry. My worry. This worry that I have. I feel really worried. All of this worry. This worry. All of this worry. All of my worry. Okay, take a deep breath again. Now our goal is to get that number down as low as possible so that you can feel calm. So we're going to do another round. Let's keep going. All of this worry. My worry. This worried feeling. I feel so worried. This worry. I feel so worried. All of this worry. My worry. Okay, take a deep breath in. Let it go and see how it feels now. If you feel that the number is really low, that's awesome. If you can get it down to a 0 or a 1, that's amazing, and you can stop. If it's still up there and you need to bring it down, you can just redo these ones that we just did. Just rewind the video and do it a few more times, tapping on the actual worry or any other feelings that come up. We're going to do one more round and add positive phrases, because once you clear out the negative, then you want to add in the positive, okay? So we're going to start tapping on the side of the hand first. And we're going to say, even though I've been dealing with this worry, I'm choosing to let go of it now. Even though I have felt all of this worry, I choose to believe that I'm doing better in this moment than I realize. Even though I deal with this worry, I choose to believe I am strong today and always, even when I don't feel like it. Okay, on the eyebrow, I choose to feel grateful and happy in this moment. I am believing in happy possibilities. I am grateful for this moment. And I am allowing myself to feel the good things in my life. Take a deep breath, let that out, and notice any changes. What number would you give your worry now? You should celebrate any decrease, no matter how small. That is amazing. The more you can bring that stress level down. And I don't know if I told you this, but you can replace my words. If you have other words come up, or if you want to use a different emotion than worry, then you can reuse this video for your different purposes, which is why I made it this way. So you are doing amazing because you are amazing. And I hope you have a great day. I have something in my teeth. I'm good.